the big one that everyone comes in this game for, most people, is the financial independence. This business is extremely lucrative. You can make a lot of money fairly quickly. We both did it. We were both full time, and after 6 months, we made quite a bit of money, and didn't have to rely on anything else for income at all besides this land business. It's up to you how much money you make. To be honest, we have students that make $500,000 in 6 months, and we have students who make a couple 100,000 a year and are fine with that and just coasting, and they're saving up for tuition or their vacations, or they like their other job and they're doing this for, just like we said, financial freedom and independence.
Our society's obsession with being busy. You can work 10 hours a week in this business and make $250,000 a year pretty easily, opposed to being efficient with your time. Every businesses, bosses, stuff like that, they're obsessed with being busy opposed to being efficient. And that stigma, I think, really hurts employees. It hurts us as people because people think they're being productive when they're just busy.